Hi guys, today we'll understand various string operators in Scratch application. As you know already, string is length of characters. Various string operators which are available in the Scratch are like joining of two operands by using the string operator join. Okay, next letter 1 of apple means searching of some characters in particular string. Length of character, that is length of a particular string, is called length of string. Next, finding some particular whether the particular character is present in the string or not. If it is present, perform some action. If it is not present, then you do something else. So these are the various strings which are available, string operators which are available in the Scratch. We'll understand each of these with an example. Okay. Let us start understanding of string operators. Okay, first, as you know, the certain event should occur. What event? When green flag button is clicked. Okay, so here I am considering first name and last name as a two strings, and these two strings need to be joined by using the string operators. So first we need to accept the two strings from the user, that is first name and last name. How we can accept any information from the user is asking the whatever the information that we want. So let us, where it will be available in sensing. So click on sensing, ask. Okay. Enter your first name. Fine. Next, so first we want to create the some variables to store the entered name. So how can we create the variables, our own variables? Going to the variables block palette, click on that, make a variable f name, that is first name. This is just variable name it is. Now set f name to the 0. Okay. Next, assign set f name to the answer, that is whatever the user will enter the first name, that will be assigned to the f name. Then duplicate it to create the accept the another name. Enter. Enter second name or last name. Enter second name or last name. So to store the last name, we want to create another variable. Let us start variables, make a variable L name, last name. Click OK. So here we have set the first name to 0 initially. Next L name to 0. Fine. Okay. Set L name to 0. So we have what we have done. We accept the two names, that the first name and the last name from the user, and we initialize them to the 0 and we assign them to the answer. That is f name will be assigned to answer, L name will be assigned to answer. Next, what we want to do is perform the string operators. So click on look, say what we want to perform. What we are doing here, first one is joining of two strings. So how we are performing joining? Say, drag and drop it, go to the operators where we'll get join. Join apple, banana. So in place of apple and banana, we'll put the F name and L name. Where is F name? That is variables. F name, one variable, and L name is another variable. This is first operator. Next one is what? It is operator. Yeah. Letter 1 of apple. Let's understand this first. Enter your first name, Kitty. Enter your last name as cat. Okay. Now, joining of is Kitty, cat. So, this is first operator in the scratch is joining of two operators. Next one is letter 1 of apple. That is first letter of a particular string. Say, first letter of F name is. Say, then drag and drop the what do you want to find. So first letter of first name. Okay. Enter your first name, Kitty, cat. Joining of two string is Kitty, cat. Okay. Next one, first letter of F name is K. Next operator is length of particular string. Length of my name is. Join length of joining of first name and second name. Okay. First name where we'll get F name, the variable it will be stored. In second variable it will be stored. Okay. Length of joining of first name and last name. Let us understand this. Enter your first name. Joining of two string Kitty, cat. First letter of F name is K. Next length of my name is 8 characters because we are having here Kitty is 5. Last name is cat which is 3 letters. So total it will be 8 letters. So length of that character, that is length of that first name and last name will be 8. So next operators in the string is finding apple contains A. Okay. If you want to search the particular character present in the string or not. So for this we want to accept the some character that we want to search it in the string. So again ask the input from the user, ask enter character to search. Okay. Next, as we want to check the existence of a character in a string, we will make use of the if control statement. Okay. If drag and drop, next operator, check here. If apple contains A, so if in place of apple First name contains some character. Which character? The character which the user is going to be entered here. So in place of A, we want to present answer. Answer. Okay. If F name contains A, what to do? Say something. Yes, it is present. Hello. It is present. Exist. The character. Some user defined message. Character is present. Else, it's not present. Character is not present. So let's understand, let's check it out this. Enter first name. Joining of two string, kitty cat. First letter of F name is K. Length of my name is 8. Enter character to find. So let us K. Character is present. So which character we have entered? K, which is present in the first name. So various string operators, what we have learned today is, that is joining of two strings, length of string, length of strings, then letter, finding of the particular letter in a string, and the first letter of a string. So this is about the various string operators which is available in the Scratch.